Hey, well, hello YouTube, here with another unboxing. Um, I just got in today the Ring Steelbook distributed by Arrow Video, and this is a brand new 4K restoration supervised by the director himself. So let's get this unboxing going. I would have got the collector's edition, but I think with the sequels, but I wasn't too fond of them. I only really like the original one. Yeah, this is the one that started it all. It's got tons of features, and I think probably a booklet. I'll have to open it up and see. That's the J card. Let's see the back. As you can see, and it's very obvious, I got a few dings right here and here, and a little scratch right here, but nothing major. I really like the back. It's a nice matte finish. I did order this from Arrow Video themselves. Let's look at the disc. Really nice. Get advertisement. They're supposed to make a announcement this Friday. See what they're releasing. I think it's going to be RoboCop. Booklet. It's a really nice, creepy movie, as you can see. And let's show the Steelbook. You can look at it very good. Let's see, nice. Sorry about the glare, guys. I like it. Let's look at it once more. Yeah, I could live with those two little dents. It's not a big major issue. Now, if it would have been crushed, then I would have been sending it back. But all in all, I like the look of the Steelbook. It really looks nice. Hey, if you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.